In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off facing pages in Affinity. If you've ever set up a document and realized it's showing two pages side by side like a magazine spread, that's because facing pages is enabled. Turning it off gives you single standalone pages, which is ideal for one-pagers, reports, PDFs for on-screen reading, or any project that doesn't need a left and right spread layout. Start by opening the Affinity app on your computer. With your document open, move to the top of the screen and click the document menu. This is where the main file level settings live. From that drop-down, choose Setup, and then select Document Setup. You'll see a window with the core layout controls for your file. In the Document Setup window, look for the area that manages how pages are arranged. Depending on your version, it may be labeled Layout or Model, but the option you need is called Facing Pages. When Facing Pages is turned on, Affinity treats each spread as a pair of pages that mirror each other across a gutter, which is great for books, catalogs, and magazines. To switch to single pages, simply turn off Facing Pages. This toggles the document from spreads to individual pages instantly. A few quick notes on what this change means. Your content isn't deleted or moved to a different file. It stays on the same page it was on, but the page no longer sits in a left-right pair. If you had elements that intentionally cross the center fold, like a photo spanning both pages, you'll want to review those areas afterward to make sure the composition still reads well as separate pages. Margins and guides that were mirrored for left and right pages will now apply per page rather than per spread, which can make layout adjustments more straightforward for single page designs. When you're happy with the setting, click OK to apply your change. The document view will update so you can continue working with a clean, single page flow. If you later decide you need spreads again, you can come back to the same document setup window and re-enable facing pages at any time. It's a safe, reversible setting designed to fit your workflow. That's all you need to do. Open Affinity, go to the document menu, head into Setup, open Document Setup, disable facing pages in the model or layout section, and confirm with OK. With that small change, you'll have a document that's easier to manage for non-spread projects and ready for streamlined exporting and review.